Today is a special day here at American Home Contractors. We're up in Westminster, Maryland, witnessing the first installation for the company of Powerwall 3, Tesla's brand new battery going in at Dave's house. Check it out.
Now drop it.
Yes. A lot easier. I don't think we did too bad with that, though.
No, but the other one was definitely make it nice.
Nicer, but we did pretty good.
Yeah. That was the easy part, though. Yep, I definitely want that other dolly. This is the communications board. We're gonna run a comm wire from the Tesla gateway over to here for communications. We're also gonna hardwire this one for internet. So we're gonna do an Ethernet port here. Ethernet out will feed to the next Powerwall 3 in line. Over here is all your AC terminals. We've already pre-wired this garage into the back of it. So we're gonna poke through the back right here, feed all of our AC wiring in. And then we're also gonna feed our DC wires through the back of this, already pre-wired, and send it into the DC junction box here. These are all your AC connections, your 2 hot and your 2 ground. This is our Cat 6 cable that we're running hardwired all the way from the router into the first Powerwall 3. And then we'll have to run another one out over and into the second Powerwall 3. And then this is going to be the communication wire coming from the gateway.
Now it's sitting pretty, right?
Yeah.